Are you searching for reliable IT support in Sanibel? Look no further. Our trusted IT consulting company is ready to assist with expert on-site solutions tailored to your needs. We offer a wide range of IT consulting services, including computer repairs, network setup and security, data backup and recovery, and software installation. Whatever your tech needs, we've got you covered. Our team of experienced professionals provides tailored solutions for both homes and businesses. We understand your unique challenges and are committed to delivering the best results. Enjoy the convenience of our on-site services. We come directly to your home or office, saving you time and ensuring fast, efficient resolutions to your IT issues. Trusted by the Sanibel community, we pride ourselves on delivering exceptional customer service and reliable results. Your satisfaction is our top priority. Need its support now? Call us at 239-421-8187 to speak with an expert and get the help you need right away. From simple repairs to complex consulting, we handle all your tech needs with customized solutions designed just for you. We proudly serve Sanibel and the surrounding areas, helping local businesses and residents with professional IT consulting services.